Hi, this is a demonstration of car speed checker project. So this is a very useful application that allows the road traffic authorities and also the government authorities or wherever it is needed to measure the speed of a moving car instantly. For this purpose we use IR sensors here. So this is the sender and this is the receiver, and for this purpose we are using an 805 family microcontroller. The microcontroller is also interfaced with the LCD screen to display the speed as well as instructions to use the system, and the entire system is powered by a 12-volt transformer here. We use these two push buttons here for setting the speed limit. If the car exceeds that particular speed limit, then it flags, it shows a red signal, it glows this red signal here, and if it is within that particular bounds, the speed doesn't exceed that limit, then it shows a green signal for that particular vehicle. So these IR sensors are assumed to be placed at a 5-meter distance from each other. So if the first one is placed at a particular point, then we assume that the second sensor is placed at a distance of 5 meters from this particular. So let's see how the system works. So the system has now started. So let's set the max speed limit here. Let's set it to 60 km per hour. So now we have set the speed limit as 60. So for cars moving above a speed limit of 60 would be flagged as overspeeding, and below 60 would be normal. So for above 60 it would give a red light, whereas for below 60 it would just give a green light. So let's see how the system works. Let's simulate a slow moving car here. So speed was 14 km per hour, so it was below the set limit, so it didn't give any buzzer or any alert. So if we simulate a fast moving car, so the speed was 72 km per hour, so that's why it flagged it as above now speed. So let's increase the speed here, speed limit. Let's reset the system and let's increase the speed limit. So let's make it 100 km per hour, and let's long press this button to set the system for that particular speed. So now even if it is 72, it won't sound an alarm, but let's simulate even faster speeds here. So it's 119 km per hour, and so it flagged it as an overspeeding vehicle. So this system is useful at many places like major highways, roadways, or any particular road where we need to find out vehicles which are exceeding a particular speed limit, and the system does it automatically and alerts the authorities accordingly. So this is how car speed checker project works. Thank you.